This video gives an overview of what to do with your video from the time that you capture it to how you actually submit it and get it in a form that it can even be put in your professional portfolio. The project, the Teaching Episode Analysis project, is supposed to give you a taste of national boards so that you can see at the end of the project whether you want to pursue national boards in the future. But the actual forms that you submit the videos in for the course is different than the actual national board process. The national boards require a 20-minute video. And in this course, you actually won't do a full 20-minute video. It's too long and it's too hard to upload. And for fifth-year students, it has to be uploaded into their portfolio. So you're going to do it a little bit different, but still it'll give you a sense of the national board process itself and how whether you want to actually pursue that in the future. Two things you need to know is how to divide your video into clips and then how to compress them. The first thing that you're going to do with your video is you will make the decision about dividing it into 4 to 5 segments, and each video clip should be 2 to 4 minutes long. So think about the lesson that you taught, the one that you captured on video, and then think about what are the 4 or 5 clips that would give viewers a real sense of what went on in the lesson. Typically, students include the introduction to the lesson and the conclusion to the lesson, because you can imagine that viewers often want to know how the video started and how the lesson started and how you wrapped it up. And then students then also include about 3 segments that give a sense of the key points of the lesson. So if you were teaching a hands-on lesson, you might show the intro to the lesson. Then the next clip would be the kids getting their equipment and getting started. The third clip could be the kids, actually small groups of kids doing the actual hands-on work. The fourth clip then could be them plotting the data and beginning to analyze it. And the fifth clip would be you wrapping up the lesson. If you didn't get a chance the day that you took the video for to discuss the lab with the kids, that's not a problem. The video should be about one lesson that you taught, whether it doesn't have to concern what you were doing the next day. That was just an example of how you would divide a hands-on lesson up. Remember that it is your choice which 4 or 5 clips you choose, but each one should be 2 to 4 minutes long. No longer and no shorter. That gives viewers a real sense of what's going on within your lesson. The other thing you need to know about the videos is that the video clips is they have to be compressed if you are a fifth-year student uploading them into LiveText or TaskStream. You simply can't put a large file the way that they typically come out in the videos online. It takes way too long for it to upload, and then it takes way too long for your viewers to download. Here I really can't tell you how to compress them. PCs and Macs are different. Everybody has different software. Here you're going to have to explore the compression software and find out what is best to use to take the original video and compress it down to a size that works. Follow the written guidelines given you in class, but at the time of making this video, the size would be, for any clip, would be from 10 megabytes to 30 megabytes. If it's smaller than 10 megabytes, it's too grainy for people to see usually. And if it's larger than 30 megabytes, it's usually just too large, takes too long to download, and the quality just isn't worth it. But check and make sure that the guidelines in the course haven't changed, but the general principles are still the same. Compression can be sometimes difficult to find the right software and to get it going, so make sure to go to the virtual office if you're having problems and ask your peers. New software comes out all the time. Someone in the class may be very used to doing digital video and compressing, and they may be able to give you tips. Don't be a stranger on all of this. And don't spend hours and hours on it. If you're spending hours and hours, you're probably doing it wrong. Also remember that there are resources at UAB, such as the UAB Education Tech Lab, that can help you with some of these issues, especially compression. Let me know any questions you have. Hopefully you're beginning to get a sense of the value of this project for both the course and for your future as a teacher, and including those national boards. Thanks.